Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to redeem a gift card for Grubhub. Before beginning, if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. There are two ways to redeem a gift card on Grubhub. You can either add a gift card on your account beforehand or pay with your gift card while checking out with a purchase. Open up a web browser first and in the search box type in www.grubhub.com and press enter. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you'd like to add a gift card to your account, go to the little drop down in blue at the top right hand corner right next to your name and click on the gift cards tab. On the next page, you can see that there is an option to either buy a gift card or redeem a gift card. You can also add a new gift card if you want by clicking on the add a new gift card link at the top right and type in your 7-digit long gift card code that is available at the back of your gift card. Soon after you add a gift card, you'll be able to redeem your gift card by clicking on this link right here, and that is how you'll be able to redeem a gift card on Grubhub. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.